This is a translation for Section 3 of Chapter 8 of Lingua Latina. Ludia annulum in mensa ponit. Lydia puts the ring on the table. They're still in the shop, by the way. In oculis eius lacrimae sunt. Uh-oh, Mavis is in trouble. In her eyes there are tears, lacrimae. Medas, qui lacrimas eius videt, crumenam suam in mensa ponit. Medas, who sees her tears, puts his money bag, suam crumenam, on the table. This is a great sentence for remembering the difference between when using suam and eius. Medas is the subject of this sentence. So whenever we would want to say his, we would use a form of sua saum. So Medas puts his money bag. Since he's the subject, we use the suam. But Medas also sees, Medas who, a little relative clause, who sees her tears. We use eius here, the possessive pronoun, personal pronoun, because it's rather than a sua saum, because this is not Medas, this is Ludia. Ea non vacua, sed plena numorum est. It, and it's ea because the it we're referring to is a crumena, it's a feminine thing. It is not empty, but full of coin. In ea nonagenta sestertii insunt. In it there are 90 sestertii. Medos, eci nonagenta sestertii, he says to Albinus. Behold, 90 sestertii. Albinus says, sed nonagenta non satis est, pretium annuli est centum sestertii. But 90 is not satis, enough. It's not satisfying, is it? Oops, sorry about that. The price of the ring is 100 sestertii. Ludia. Da huic tabernario centum sestertios. Oops. Da being the imperative form of dant, meaning to give. So this is imperative. She's commanding Medas, give huic tabernario to this shopkeeper 100 sestertios. And huic, this is dative, by the way. Give to this tabernarius. This is also dative. 100 sestertios. Medos. Pretia nimis magnum est. The price is too large, too great. Alei tabernarii annulum gemmatum nonagenta sestertiis vendunt. Other shopkeepers sell gemmed rings for 90 sestertiis. You go, Medas. Who are those shopkeepers? Qui sunt illi tabernarii? Qui in aliis viis tabernas habent. And again, we see qui, and remember this could be singular or plural, so we have to kind of go to the verb to find out that it is plural. Those who own shops in other roads or ways. Albinus. Quae sunt illae viae in quibus illae tabernarii sunt. Albinus is not giving up. Which are those ways in which there are other shops? Medas does not answer. Albinus. Et quae sunt illa ornamenta, quae in illis tabernis parvo pretio emuntur. Okay, we got our UR here, so this is going to be passive. So he's saying, and which are those pieces of jewelry which in those shops are being sold for a small price. Notice the price again is always in the ablative of price. And notice that, and which are, this is the question word which, and this one here is the relative pronoun which. Anyway, non sunt ornamenta. There are no pieces of jewelry. Said, aspicite haec ornamenta, hos annulos, has gemmas, has margaritas. But look at these pieces of jewelry, these rings, these gems, these pearls. Haec ornamenta proba sunt. These gems are good. Neque pretium aurum ornamentorum nimis magnum est. And the price of these pieces of jewelry, genitive, is not too large. Medus says, accipe non agentas estertios aut nullos. Receive or get. In other words, this is the command, the imperative form. He's basically saying to Albinus, you get 90 sesterces or nothing, or none. You want 90 or do you want none? Albinus says, nom hic non agenta sestertii sunt. Nom. This is our negative question word. And he's saying, this is not 90 sesterces. And Medus says, numera eos. Count them. Albinus counts the sesterces. Albinus, he counts them. Quorum numerus est nonagenta, of which the number is 90. Again, because it's a price, it's in the ablative. Albinus ad numum convenit. Albinus says, basically, to the coins it is fitting. In other words, it satisfies the amount. Medus, esne satis? Is it enough? Albinus non respondet, sed numos sumit et medo annulum dat. Albinus does not answer, but picks up the coins and gives the ring to Medus. Albinus pecuniam accipit, et medo annulum vendit non agenta sestertiis. Albinus gets the money, and Medus, and sells who are what? The ring to Medus. Medus is dative. He's not a subject. And for the price of non agenta sestertiis. This is ablative of price again. Medus annulum ab albino non agenta sestertiis emit. Medus buys the ring ab albino from Albinus for the price of, again, ablative of price, non agenta sestertiis, for 90 coins. Okay. Medus se ad Lydiam convertit. Accipe hunc annulum ab amico tuo. Medus turns himself to Lydia and says to her, receive this ring from your friend. Medus annulum in digito Lydiae ponet. Medus puts the ring on the finger of Lydia, genitive. In quo digito? In digito medio. On what finger? On her middle finger. Exclamation point. Oh no. Medus. Hic annulus ad digitum tuum non convenet. This ring does not fit to your finger. Annulus nimis parvus est aut digitus nimis magnus est. The ring is too small, or the finger is too large. Lydia. Oh, Mede. Vocative, right? She's talking to him. Digitus medius nimis magnus est. Pone annulum in digito corto. Oh, Medus, you silly man. The middle finger is too very big. Too big. Put the ring, again, pone, imperative, the ring on in digito corto, on the fourth finger. Medus annulum in digito Lydiae corto ponet. Medus puts the ring on the fourth finger of Lydia. Iam annulus satis magnus est, et ad digitum convenet. Now the ring is big enough, right? It's a full size, big, and fits to the finger. Nam digitus quartus, nam tam magnus est quam digitus medius. For, or because, the fourth finger is not as big as the middle finger. Lydia laeta digitum suum aspicit et amico suo osculum dat. Lydia, or happy Lydia, looks at her finger, suum because she's the subject, and gives a kiss. She gives a kiss to whom? To her friend, suo. Medus et Lydia a taberna abeunt. Medus and Lydia go away from the shop. Lydia quae Romae habitat medo viam monstrat. Lydia, who lives in Rome, shows the way to Medus. Indirect object. Albinus Rossus clamat. Ornamenta, ornamenta, et alios viros pecuniosos, quorum amicae nullae, aut pauca ornamenta habent expectat. Albinus shouts again, ornaments, or pieces of jewelry, and he's going to verb something. He waits. What is he waiting for? Other rich men, and then this phrase here, quorum amicae nullae aut pauca ornamenta habent, tells us more about these men.